Hey, thank you for clicking on the video. We're getting a hot tub delivered and we've been working very hard. We had this new concrete slab poured. We poured it thick. We're gonna have a new hot tub sitting on top of it today. Our brand new Lifesmart hot tub is on its way as we speak. He should be here in a couple moments. We're gonna try and move it. It weighs about 450 pounds dry. That's a lot of weight. I'm gonna see what we can do. Got an idea for how we can move it. May work, it may not work. During the ordering process, they made it clear that the delivery guy will not help set it where it has to go. He is just there to drop it at the curb. One more thing, if you are pouring a concrete slab and you're gonna run a 110 hot tub, I did put conduit in just in case later on down the road it may be possible we wanna get a 220 hot tub. If you put the conduit in, it only costs a little bit of money and it's there for the future. Well, that's what this white cap is right here. I know I haven't done a lot of hot tub content for you lately. That's gonna change. I wanted to do a video for you of pouring the concrete, but it was just too much work and too much effort, and I was unable to do it. With concrete, time is of the essence. You gotta be right there. You don't want it to set up too soon on you, so I had to be on it the entire time. It wouldn't have been a good video. I will, however, leave some video links in the description of other people who have managed to film a good video of themselves pouring concrete slabs for hot tubs. Just in case you're curious and you want to know what all it involves. Well, there it is. This is how you get it hooked on a pallet. Got the cover in the cardboard box. What I'm going to try to do, I had some of these 3-inch ABS pipes laying around, and I'm going to try to just roll it along by myself and see if we can get some momentum and get this moving. I really can't believe that worked. I can't take all the glory for thinking of this idea. It was actually a friend of mine. I was talking it out with him and I'm like, I don't know how I'm gonna move it, you know. I had these furniture dollies or these carts from Harbor Freight with like 4 wheels. They get stuck in the grass right away. And you know, he mentioned exhaust pipes. Now, I don't have exhaust pipes, but I did have 4 sticks of 3-inch ABS pipes laying around. Well, it worked. Again, this tub only weighs 450 pounds, but still, we'll see how well it goes getting it off of these. That might be a trick by myself. I just can't believe I got it here all by myself. That was really slick. Now the trick is I just got to make sure it's centered on the pad. I did also take note. It says here door side up. So I'm estimating that the door is here, the door for the motor and the pump access, as well as a power cord should be coming out down there, and then a drain port over here. I really can't wait to show you guys this hot tub. Oh, careful. You really don't want to pierce your cover. But I gotta know if there's instructions inside. Before I drop the tub off, I want to make sure there's nothing I have to do. What do we have here? Got some warranty information here. Is it on just the cover? Watkins Wellness is the manufacturer of Lifesmart hot tubs. Just goes over the warranty of the cover. Some latching information. Looks like I'm gonna have to screw on some. Maybe I'll screw it on or they're already screwed on. We'll see. Good reading information, but it's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the hot tub directions. One more thing, I was using a knife to open this. I was trying to be careful. If you were to get your knife or catch it on the cover, I could imagine it doing damage that would easily shorten the lifespan on that cover. Covers are expensive. Be gentle. Well, I guess I better poke my head inside here. There's got to be an instructions thing inside this hot tub. This again is one thing you don't want to accidentally cut your hot tub, so be gentle. There it is. Okay, they got it zip tied. What does it say? Stop. Check out the Lifesmart channel on YouTube for helpful videos. I will leave a link to their YouTube channel down below. Definitely worth checking out. Maybe I should check it out as well. Let's unwrap it. Let's see what we're dealing with. Now inside you'll find the pre-filter. I do believe the filter's already installed down there, and then a lid for the filter area. I am not sure what this brown stuff is. We'll see if that should come off. Huh. There you have it. It's manufactured by Watkin Wellness. They also do manufacture a couple other brands. There's a waterfall feature. I'm not sure I'll really even like that, but this is looking like the entry point right here over the control panel. And we were kind of planning on putting steps right here. So you got to do a little figuring on that, how that's going to work out. One more first impression that I'm noticing is I hope these ridges aren't too much. And then it looks like there's pre-drilled holes to help them, because this is the same model you can actually get with you can get it with more jets. It looks like it's pre-drilled for the manufacturers, possibly pre-molded that way, so that they know exactly where to drill the jets in, and they're evenly spaced. It's minor. I don't think I'll notice or care, but that's just something that I don't remember seeing in the pictures, and I wanted to let you know about that as well. Located down here is the plug. How easily can that just come out? Seems like it's pretty secured in there. And over here is the drain plug. Can I just pull? It's zip tied, but I should be able to pull it out, the drain plug there. It's important to always read the instructions to your new product and make sure that you're setting it up and following the directions as best as you can. I would not recommend doing anything that the manufacturer does not recommend. One thing I'm noticing too is do not leave the spa exposed in the sun without water or the cover in place. Exposure to direct sunlight can cause the solar distress of the shell material. So I got to get the cover on it right now because it's in the direct sun, and then I can get back to reading this. We'll see. I'm just waiting to take it off the rollers. I need to double check where exactly for sure we're going to put this, because I know the power has to reach that outlet right there, and the power is coming out of the side with the step into. Down here where the power was, this was zip tied up. I just had to cut it. It looks like I can pull the cord on out. I thought it would be a little easier to access the motor area, but there's a lot of screws that I'm going to have to remove. But I do just want to look at it before I go ahead and fill it up. I do just want to have that open so that maybe I could see if there's any leaks or maybe something was left open. I would feel more comfortable about that. I'm going to read the instructions some more. Maybe they have some recommendations. Well, after some careful planning and some thought, what I'm thinking is I'm going to try to spin the hot tub. I want the step in to be on this side, so as you walk up the walkway, you can just step inside. And we're going to make sure that there cord will reach the socket. Really hoping it will. We weren't really sure which side the step in was going to be on. And if it won't, I guess we can step in this way too. I do believe these come with a 13-foot power cord, but you're going to have some of that you're going to use up coming off of the outlet. I got 12 feet right here. I got 13 feet right here. It'll be tight. And you do want to have it also, there's a set limit on how far you want it away from the outlet, because when you have water, you don't want it to be able to splash on the electrics. Definitely read the directions. When you order one of these, they will send you a lot of documentation to read before you actually receive the tub. so that you can prep and get the space ready like we did. Be so careful on these screws. You don't want to strip a head out. That one kind of pulled out. Looks like 2 Phillips heads. There's one. And there's 2. This is the components inside. I believe this is the controller for the electronics. This is your pump and heater. On these 110 models, I believe they call it a friction pump. Somehow the pump is harnessing the heat from the pump to actually heat the waters. We're gonna just make sure everything looks good. So initially we were planning on having it centered in the patio. This cord is not far enough to reach. Now, if we were to flip it the other way, it would reach the outlet, but the step side is right here. If you were to step into the tub, you go over the control panel. Not only that, if you're just treating the tub quickly, you could just pop it open halfway. We got to figure something out here. I'm thinking it's going to be off center. Maybe I push it back farther. Maybe I'll push it back into that back corner and then have enough room to also have the step side here. It's a Gecko brand controller and a Watkins manufacturing pump. Well, thank you for watching this video. I really hope you liked it. This is my Lifesmart hot tub. I will leave the model number below for you. It went together quite easy with my 2 accessories that I added, the steps and the rocket cover remover. If you have any questions or comments, please do leave them below. I will answer them when I can. If you could please hit that thumbs up button, that does help YouTube place us just a little bit higher. Also, check out our channel if you're interested in Lifesmart hot tubs and you want to see how this goes for me. There will be more videos coming soon. For now though, this is my unboxing video, basically what you get off of the truck when it's delivered, moving it, setting it up. I'll leave links in the description if you want to check out this hot tub. If you want to check out the rocket cover remover or the stairs with storage, definitely check out the description, links to all that there. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.